Welcome to the Tiny Toons world.
Bring the lion on safari goes, roaring loud and bold. Yeah, the elephant on safari goes, trumpeting strong and proud. Yeah, the zebra on safari goes, neighing as it runs free. Yeah, the giraffe on safari humps while reaching high leaves. And a gorilla on safari thumps with a mighty beat. Yeah, the hippo on safari splashes in the deep blue water. And the crocodile on safari snaps with a sneaky glide. And the rhino on safari snorts as it marches ahead. Yeah, the leopard on safari growls on a quiet prowl. Yeah, the monkey on safari oohs and hides through trees. Yeah, the mingo on safari roams while standing tall. Yeah, the ostrich on safari booms as it runs so fast. Yeah, the baboon on safari gruffs with its playful troop. Yeah, the antelope on safari bleats as it jumps high. Yeah, the meerkat on safari chirps while it stands alert. Yeah, the snake on safari hisses with a smooth slide. Yeah, the warthog on safari grunts on a muddy trail. And the wildebeest on safari moves with the running herd. Yeah, the jackal on safari howls to the evening sky. It's the owl on safari hoots from the quiet trees. Yeah, the camel on safari groans through the sandy dunes. Yeah, the porcupine on safari squeaks with tiny steps. And a buffalo on safari bellows across the plains. Bald eagle on safari screeches from up high. Feed the frog on safari ribbits near the waterside. And the tortoise on safari says stop as it moves slow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.